Hi, I'm Sriram Benur. In this video, I'm going to walk you through Facebook Creator Studio so that you understand completely about the analytics, which can also help you to make proper decision on how to scale up your Facebook page as well. I'm going to cover each and every detail so that you have great understanding about Facebook Creator Studio. So make sure you're going to watch till the end because this video can be anywhere around 20 to 25 minutes but with complete details. No BS, just straight to the point. That's what you're going to learn in this video. Let's get started. Now for you to open Facebook Creator Studio, you can just type as Facebook Creator Studio in Google and you'll find the first option. You can just click on that. Now this is going to open the studio where you can check all the analytics of the page and certainly understand how your page is performing. Right? The moment the Creator Studio opens, this is how the interface is going to look. Okay. On the top you see like you have Facebook and also you have Instagram here. If you just click on this icon, it is going to show all the pages that you have the access for. Okay, certainly you can choose the ones which are monetized or the business accounts or things like that. So I just selected the page which is monetized right now. Okay, and right next to it you have Instagram as well. If you have connected your Instagram, then certainly you can see the posts, how they have been performing over here. Videos, photos, carousel stories, IGTV, everything you can see from here as well. Now our interest is Facebook, so let's go to Facebook section. Right at the top you find an option to create a new post. You also have the same thing right here in the middle. Either you can create or add a story, upload video or go live from here. Now towards the right side, it quickly gives you update about how your page has been performing in the last 7 days. Now compared to the previous time, right? So it is saying like in past 7 days the page has earned around $246, which is slightly lesser compared to the previous 7 days. So here it also shows the performance section, which gives you a quick idea on how exactly your page has been performing. This is the 3-second video views. That means people who have watched your video for the first 3 seconds. 1 minute video views, right? Then minutes viewed, that means complete minutes, whatever your page has generated in the last 7 days. That's around 496,000 plus minutes that have been viewed. Average minutes viewed, so overall page average view duration for the last 7 days, that's around 27 seconds, right? So that's the kind of insight that it is saying. Certainly we can just click on go to insights and we'll be able to see the complete insights as well. Okay, so right in the middle it's also going to show the recent post what we have made and how they have been performing, right? You can see that okay, out of last 3 videos that has been posted, this has been doing well. These 2 are not getting so much of engagement, correct? Now let's go to insights and check how exactly the page has been performing. Now this is one of the most important metrics for you to understand what you can do better, what are the kind of things that we need to consider so that our channel can or our page can scale up as well, right? So let me just give the duration as last 28 days. You can select today, yesterday or last 14 days. You have this month, this quarter, custom, right? Let me just select as last 28 days. So you can see that okay, it has around 1.2 million minutes viewed in last 28 days and it is 292% higher compared to previous time. Again 1 minute video views, so that's around 309k views. So usually on Facebook the ads appear only after 1 minute, so this is something that is really important for us. Again 3-second video views, this around 995,000 video views have happened. Again that's around 355% higher, so that means the page has been scaling up really well. Okay, so video engagements. Now what is video engagement? Video engagement is nothing but where people are commenting on a video, they are liking it, they are sharing it. Those kind of things are considered as video engagement and that's around 20,000, right? And the net followers gain is around 3.6 thousand. Okay, so that's the stats what it is indicating. You can also see how exactly the page has been performing compared to previous period. Okay, so if you see compared to previous period, there has been a good growth probably towards the mid of September where the page has been scaling up really well, right? And it's completely organic. Okay, so you can see here if I can just scroll, right? You can see here show by see how your different types of posts are performing. It's all organic, right? Organic. Again, the highest views are from non-followers, followers 3.9%, videos 100%, live 0%, because I really don't do any lives on this page. Okay, you can also see the top performing videos here based on the minutes viewed. So you can see that's how it is going to indicate minutes viewed, 1 minute video views, 3 second video views, engagements. You'll be able to see everything with respect to videos as well, right? So that's how it indicates in the performance section. Now let's go a little bit deeper in the insight section. See, at times you might not be able to click on the options here in the insight section. That's because there's a little bit issue with the Creator Studio in Chrome browser sometime. So all you need to do is just minimize the screen a bit. Okay, you can find the other options. So let's just click on overview. Now let me just quickly get it back to 100%. Okay, so in the overview, it is going to give a high level overview of how exactly the page has been performing in last 28 days. Okay, so total people reached, it's around 2 million. Net follower gain, engagement, okay, compared to previous period and this period. So overall people reached, engagement with respect to page, not with respect to video. This is giving the stats with respect to the complete page. Okay, and you can also see the number of people who have clicked on the links, comments, shares, reactions, right? So that's how it has been indicating here. Now let's just scroll down. Let's go to audience. Now this is again one of the most important metrics for you to understand so that you know who your audience are and how they have been engaging on your page, right? So let me just quickly get the data for past 14 days so that we have more data to analyze. 11,000 plus engaged viewers for this page. Now here is the important metrics, right? On my Facebook page, that's A2C Arts and Crafts, 86% of them are women, right? And 14% are men. That means I really need to target content which is focused on women so that my page grows really fast. Now if I create videos which are focused on men, it would affect my page growth as well, correct? So that's something that is important for us to understand. And again, it is going to give the top countries. It's India, Brazil, Mexico, Pakistan, Argentina, right? Languages they speak. And this is something that is of our interest as well, right? So what this indicates is, this indicates what is the interest of the audience who are coming to our page. Now these are the people who are interested in family, cosmetics, Facebook, food, home, love, artists, arts and music, right? So it is just giving an idea what kind of content they are also interested in and what are their interests. Again, pages your engaged viewers like. So these are the pages what the people who come to my page are also interested in, and they have watched the videos from this page. So if you want to create more videos, you can certainly go back to these pages and see what kind of videos they are creating and what are really trending in them. If you create more videos of that kind, certainly the page can grow much faster as well. You can take ideas from the other related pages. So do understand one thing, this metrics may be available only when your page is getting good number of views. If your page is not getting good number of views, then this metrics may not be available. And again, videos your engaged viewers are watching, what are the kind of videos they are watching right now, or the kind of videos they are interacting on, correct? So these are the kind of videos is what it is saying. Again, you can take this as an idea to create more content which is going to be engaged on your page as well. Now coming to top audience based on the age and gender, it's women 25 to 34 are the ones who are highly engaged on our page, right? So based on that, we can really understand what kind of content should be created so that the page gets better engagement, right? So it's basically understanding 25 to 34. These are the people who would be interested more in beauty, style, makeup, or say for example, home decor or things like that, right? So anything that connects to them, along with maintaining your channel niche is something that can help, along with managing your page niche is something that can help the page to grow faster as well. Again, women 45 to 54, women 35 to 44. So you could see, right? So men is something that is really less here. So that has to be considered so that we don't create more content that is focused for men here. Again, age, gender, location, you can also find based on location, right? So it is going to give the complete idea of the number of audience who are watching from which location as well, languages they speak, city, correct? So you can see here Dhaka, Kolkata, right? So you can get the complete details. So understand this metrics because this is something that is really important for you to plan content for your page. Okay, it's going to be on the same niche, but you can fine tune your content. Now let's move to the next one, performance. Now this is something that we have already checked. Let's go to benchmarking. So this is something that is going to help us understand how exactly our page has been performing, right? So the first thing, you can see here 3-second video views, it says bottom 50%. That means our page is among that bottom 50% of the pages on the similar niche, right? That's how the views have been coming. Again, 1 minute video views also bottom 50%. Average minutes viewed is also bottom 50%. Comments, shares, comments are bottom 25%. Shares bottom 50%. Reactions bottom 25%. That means these two are something that are not really going well, right? Comments and reactions. So that is something that I need to think how exactly we could plan so that we are going to have more comments and reactions, right? When people are commenting more, the video has more chance of going viral as well, right? And again, 3-second video views are bottom 50%. So that just indicates that, okay, the hook, whatever is there in the video, it is not holding the audience attention for a long time. So the hook should be a lot more interesting so that people stay on the video as well. Again, performance comparison. So it indicates that, okay, our page is among that between that 25 and 50% page group compared to other pages who are on the similar niche as well. Okay. So again, this indicates comparison tool. So these are some of the videos that it has been highlighting as well. So now here it is showing the comparison tool based on last 14 days, which are the videos which are getting good views, right? So beautiful paper flower making has been getting good views, in fact, right? And if you see, this is actually focused for men, which is not getting views, right? These are all other things that have been focused for women, correct? Now with that, let's move to the next section of loyalty. Okay. So here it is indicating the net followers growth, that's around 3.6k in last 28 days. Returning viewers who are coming to the page and watching again, okay. 32,000 complete views. So follower activity, you could see how exactly the followers count has been increasing. There is one important thing for us to understand here. New followers is something this graph is indicating, right? Previous followers are the light blue line here. People who unfollowed, right? It's around 440 people in last 28 days. See, as I said earlier, majority of the people who are audience for my page are women, right? So every time when I posted videos which are focused on men, that's when the followers also dropped off, right? So that's where we are seeing the followers, 440 followers have been dropped in last 28 days, which is not a great sign. That means I need to really focus on creating content which is majorly focused for women on DIY things, correct? So these kind of metrics certainly help you to understand more about your page. Okay, so returning viewers has been increased from September, which is really good, and it's almost around 4 to 5 times higher. Top videos by returning viewers. So okay, that's the kind of metrics it's showing here. Now let's jump into the next part. Okay, so now after loyalty retention, so again this is something very interesting for you to understand how exactly you are getting the views, right? Where exactly your audience are dropping, what is that you can do to retain the audience and things like that, where your views are coming from. So if you see here, 94% of the views are coming from recommendations from Facebook, right? Which is majority. And a page can grow faster when Facebook starts recommending our videos to a lot more people, right? That's something is good. from followers around 3%, shares around 2.77%. How long people are watching. So this is one of the most important metrics for us to understand, which is going to show how long people are watching your 3-second video, right? How long they are, how many are watching, say, how many are watching your 3-second video, how many are watching 15-second video, and how many are watching that 1 minute mark, right? Why? Because see, the moment somebody starts watching a video on Facebook, right? It's very easy for them to just scroll up, right? So it does not even take more than 3 seconds, correct? That's where it is important that uh, to make sure the hook in the video is something that is really, really important, so that it is holding audience attention to watch at least for 3 seconds. If somebody watches for 3 seconds, there is high chance that they are going to watch for 15 seconds. Now, if you see here, from 3 second to 15 second, there is 52.5% retention. And from 15 second to 1 minute, there is 59.3% retention. So that means between 15% and 1 minute, there is roughly around 40% of the audience who dropped off. Now, 1 minute views are something that is really important. Why? Because ads run only after 1 minute in Facebook. Maybe over a period of time, they might start much earlier as well. But here is where we actually earn money, when somebody starts watching for 1 minute, right? So whatever you are seeing right now, see, this is actually not very bad nor very good, right? This is actually average numbers. Now, if we see from 3 second to 15 seconds, if there is much higher drop, right? In that case, you need to really work on the hook of the video so that audience retain. So average time people spent watching, so it's around 0.29 seconds. You can also check with respect to individual video how exactly your video has been performing, right? Now, say for example, if you go to this particular video, you can see where exactly the audience are dropping. So let me just click on this metrics. So now this is what we are going to check right now about the analytics is for individual videos. Okay. So it is going to indicate how many 3-second video views, 1 minute video views, average minute watched, and everything. So 100%, right? Within first 10 seconds, 4% have dropped. If you see around 1 minute time, right? 66% of them are still there. Okay. Immediately after 1 minute, usually when the ad is being played, right? So from 66, it has dropped to 55%. That means 10% of them have dropped. So I feel it could be probably because the ad was played at that point in time by Facebook, which usually happens around that time. So we might be seeing the audience drop as well. Correct. Now again, there might be another ad that is being played here. Okay. So that's how you can understand the kind of retention that is happening on your video. Okay. Again, majorly views coming from recommendations, the amount this video has earned. Okay. What is CPM? Now this is something that is important for you to understand. What is CPM? CPM is cost per mile. Now cost per mile is how much is advertiser paying for 1,000 ad impressions. Okay, that's $2.45 is what the advertiser is paying for every 1,000 ad impressions. Now there has been around 52,000 ad impressions. Now because of which this video has earned around $132, right? So you got to understand these kind of metrics so that you know how exactly your earning is coming as well. Okay, so total engagement 8.9k, shares, comments, reactions, again region wise audience, so that's what it is indicating. Okay, so that's something that you can check as well. Okay, so total clicks, total plays, link clicks. So there is a lot of metrics for you to understand how exactly this particular video has been performing. So after retention, next let's check for earnings. So here you can check based on different timelines. So let me just select for last 28 days. Okay. So this is the amount that has been earned, $705. So RPM. See, previously you understood what is CPM, cost per mile. Now RPM is something how much you are earning for 1,000 ad impressions. Now this is based on all the ads that are being played on your video. What is the average amount that you are earning for 1,000 ad impressions that are happening on your channel? Now this is $2.3, which is really good for a craft channel. right? So based on the content, it is going to vary for each and every channel, for each and every page as well. Okay, so monetizable 1 minute video views. So there have been around 306,000 video views that have happened. Okay, so earnings compared to previous period. So total 11 videos which have been monetized in this last 28 days. Okay, it is also showing the kind of earning the videos have been getting. So $191, $109, $104, $46, $34, right? And you can also see here, right, CPM, cost per mile, which is indicating how much the advertiser is paying for 1,000 ad impressions, right? They are paying $5.76, which is good. Here they are paying $6.95, correct? So it actually varies based on multiple factors like the kind of advertiser, from where exactly the audience are there, right? Many factors come into picture when this cost per mile is going to be considered. So that's about the earning part. Now let's move to stories. Again, stories also reflect the similar type of performance here. We have not posted any stories in the last 28 days, so that's the reason why it is not showing anything here. Certainly stories will help for higher engagement of your followers. So I need to focus on creating more stories as well. Again, Insta articles, call to action, performance, revenue lift. So nothing of much interest here right now. Now let's go to other things, other important things I would say. So file management, here you find the sound collections which are required for your videos. So certainly you can take music from here to add for your Facebook video so that you don't get any copyright issues. So pre-published, so these are the videos which are in this section. You are going to see videos which are pre-published. Published is this section where you have all the videos which are published on your page. Let me help you to understand what exactly they are and what does it mean. So it is going to give you the video name and everything, and it is also going to show when exactly the video is published and by whom. Say for example, you have given access for somebody to manage your page. You can see who has uploaded the video. Okay, so next, it is, if you see this green icon, then that means your video has been monetized. What is this C, right? Not a reference file. Now this is basically which indicates if this has been highlighted, it indicates that okay, your video has a copyright claim where the video is referencing to somebody else's content. Okay, now CC is where you have added captions for your video. So again, the captions are nothing but like where you have added subtitles for your video, and they usually decide if you're adding subtitles, the video can have higher engagement as well. This indicates whether this video has been cross-posted to other pages. Not boosted means like if this is selected, it means like okay, you have paid ads to boost this video to get more views on the page. This indicates whether this video is funded. See, at times they'll be having programs where like they'll be helping creators to build more content, and sometimes some of the videos will be funded by Facebook itself. So that's what it is indicated if this video is funded. Next, not published as part of post test. So Facebook also has a feature where like it is going to test 4 variants of a post, and based on that it can post one variant which is going to really perform well. That's what it is indicating, and I have certainly not used that feature. Probably I'll use it in future, and let me tell you what exactly is that. If you want to know what exactly is that, then just comment below. I'm certainly going to create a video on that as well, right? So that's the kind of metrics you can see here. Again, you can just scroll towards the right. It is going to give you complete details about how exactly your video has been performing. Okay, now you can just click on all or videos, or if you have done live videos, you can see that photos, stories, link, text. So it has a lot of things there. Content library. Again, this is has been moved, so you really don't need it right now because this has moved to pre-published and published section. Okay, so so again, this is a post testing. I have still not used this feature. Certainly I'm going to experiment and try this, and after that I can certainly share more update on this as well. So one important thing in content library is playlist. Certainly you can create more playlist, okay, with the help of new playlist here, and add all the related videos, which can also help you to get more views and watch minutes as well. Okay, so that's about Creator Studio. And next is the last one that I'm going to touch here is uh, monetization section. Before going to monetization section, let me just click on inbox. So you can see all the comments that you have been coming to your inbox by just clicking on this section. You'll be able to see all the messages that are coming in. Next is monetization section. Here it is going to indicate what monetization has been enabled on your page, right? So first it indicates whether there are any violations. So there are no violations on this page. Fan subscription, this is something that can be enabled right now. In-stream ads, which has been enabled, right? Fan subscription. See, right now there are two ways where people can subscribe to your page. One is free and other is paid. If you want to make it as paid, you need to have 10,000 followers and you need to have at least 250 returning viewers and 50,000 post engagement. So sorry, either 10,000 followers or 250 returning viewers and 50,000 page followers, right? Once you have this, you can actually have a membership fee for the people who want to subscribe to your page, which becomes like a monthly earning for your page as well. Okay, so create a subscription for your page and earn monthly income. Next is brand collabs manager. Again, earn money for paid partnership with brands that want to collaborate on creating and sharing content with your audience, right? So this is more for collaboration and the criteria has been mentioned here. Insta articles, paid online events. If you want to conduct any paid online events on your page, you can certainly do that. Stars, in-stream ads for live, right? So those are all the options that are available. Thanks for watching. I'm sure this video has helped you. If you have any question that is related to Facebook Creator Studio, just comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer. And if you're looking to grow your Facebook page faster, then certainly you can also do it with the help of Facebook ads, where you can get a follower for as less than 1 rupee as well. Okay. If you want to learn everything in detail, so just click on this info link where I have given complete step-by-step instruction on how to create a Facebook ads account, how to run a Facebook page like ad, how to get the followers, what is the kind of amount that you need to invest. Just by investing a little bit money, certainly you can scale up your page faster and you can start earning money faster. And let me tell you, I've been able to build this page with 1.5 lakh followers in a span of around 10 to 11 months, which has been generating income as well. So I hope this video has helped you. Thanks for watching. And if you are not already subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. Hit that bell notification, select all notification so that you don't miss any videos from this channel. Take care and see you in the next video.